Bosconians.
Hello, Bosconians. I am Dr. Ambedkar, a symbol of social change. Learn to live great, better to live long. Dhanyawad.
Second, we have Chaplin.
My name is Shofka. I'm the king of Bollywood and a symbol of superhit. And my favorite position is... Both failure and success are part of life. Both are not permanent. Thank you.
Coming up next, Albert Einstein.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Albert Weinstein, and I am a symbol of genius. Today, I would like to say to you all children is that don't try to be a man of success, try to be a man of value. Thank you.
Next, we have Charlie Chaplin.
Hello, my name is Indira Chaplin. Today my question for you is, a day without laughter is a day wasted. And last thing for you is, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Thank you.
Next, we have Mary Kom.
I am Mary Kom, a symbol of achievement. I do not rely on my strength or techniques, but also on my mind.
Next, we have Indira Gandhi.
Thank you.
Coming up next, Wright Brothers.
I remind you between itself, think, investigate, and conclude by itself.
Next, we have Johnny Lever.
Supravat. I am Johnny Lever. My hobby is to give joy and laughter to the people. Dhanyawad.
Next, we have Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, The true strength of a nation not lies in the brute force of the state, but in the ruggedness of its value and the strength of its moral character.
Next, we have Mother Teresa.
I'm Saint Teresa of Calcutta, symbol of selfless love to the poorest of the poor. Give, give, and give till it hurts you.
Next, we have Mahatma Gandhi.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mahatma Gandhi, a symbol of peace. In a gentle way, we can shake the whole world. Thank you.
Coming up next, Sonia Gandhi.
I'm Sonia Gandhi, the symbol of truth. Together we can face any challenges as deep as the ocean and as high as the sky. Thank you.
Coming up next, Narendra Modi.
भारत के भाग्य विधाता और मदददाता मेरे भाई और बहनों, आप सबके नरेंद्र मोदी का नमस्कार। आपका वोट किसी का परिचित करने के लिए नहीं है, आपका वोट भारत के भाग्य को बदलने के लिए है। लोकतंत्र की मांग है। और मेरा भाई और बहनों और देशवासी, आप लोग सोचो, मैं आपके लोगों को भरोसा देने आया हूँ कि मैं आपके सपनों को जरूर फुलफिल करने के लिए कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा। भारत माता की।
Finally, we have our hero, Father Gail Sebastian.
I am Dr. Father Gail Sebastian, principal of the Bosco College Maram. As we all know, the Bosco College Maram is the second best college in the whole of Northeast, which is on the way to achieve the best college. Apart from colleagues, I'm the wisest man in Maram area. And yesterday I got some names from Maram Police Circle area. These people should bring drinks at the office. Saya, 18BA 390. German, 18BA 385. For the rest, have a good day.
Popularity is not merely a sign of greatness, but the footprints that they leave behind become roadmaps for others. These great men and women were not born so as such, but they chased after their dreams, with determination and perseverance. Let us live our lives with patience and enthusiasm. Let us not be confused, but start off here and now to play our role on the stage. So, dear friends, let us be daring enough to have dreams with hope and broader horizon. Thank you indeed.